Hello guys, welcome once again to J Tutorials, and I'm your admin over here, Jumbo. Okay, today guys, I'll be giving you guys a hack on how to generate traffic, lots and lots of traffic to your website, or on how to get referrals. Maybe you're an affiliate worker or you're working as an affiliate. Okay, I will show you guys today how to actually get lots and lots of traffic to your site or get lots and lots of referrals. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, at first, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're really missing out because there are lots of hacks produced already on the channel and lots that will still be produced. I'm actually a hacker, so if you don't subscribe to the channel, you won't get my hacks, my money making tips, my mobile phone tips, and all of them, lots and lots of them. So hit the subscribe button, share a link, and also comment telling me videos you want me to help you with, and certainly I will help you with them. Okay, I'm going ahead straight ahead to showing you guys how to get started on generating that traffic. Okay, I'll be showing you guys how to generate using a bot on Telegram, a bot called BTC Clickbot. Okay, this is the bot over here. Okay, and to get to this bot, the username is Bitcoin Click Dash Bot. This is the username of the bot. So once you click on this username, like once you type in on this username on the search button on Telegram, it's going to show you this bot, and you just have to click on start button to get started with the bot. Okay, and once you get started, it's going to show you a dashboard in this mode. And in this dashboard, you actually have to start earning bitcoins to advertise, or you can actually deposit Bitcoin using your Bitcoin wallet to advertise if you want massive adverts. Okay, I'll give you guys detailed step by step on how to get all of this. Just have to stay on and keep on watching. Okay, the first button over here is the visit site button. To click on the visit site button, it's going to actually show you sites advertising with this bot, and you will earn by visiting this site. For example, I'm going to click on go to website over here, and it's going to link me to that website, generating traffic for that website. Okay, this person actually used a Telegram channel for his. I'm going to show you an example of a website that actually advertise on these bots and how they are generating lots and lots of their own traffic. So I'm going back to my bots over here, and as you can see, I just earned 4 Satoshi. That is 0.000000040 PTC. That's 4 Satoshi for just visiting that site. Okay, I'm going to go to website again. I want to show you guys an example of how your site traffic will be generated over here on this bot. So okay, I think this is a site because this one is asking for a captcha. Okay, okay, this is still a Telegram channel. Okay, you guys just have to be patient till we get to a real site over here. Just have to be patient. Okay. Okay, I just got 5.4 Satoshi for visiting that previous site. Okay, Litecoin is a site actually. I'll show you guys now how Litecoin has been generating lots and lots of the traffic with this bot. Okay, as you can see, you have to stay on this site for 20 seconds. This was just how Litecoin made it look like. So, Litecoin has been generating tons and tons of traffic. Since I've been using these bots, I've been seeing their adverts over here. Yours can be here too. You just have to actually follow my steps and get started. Okay, as you can see, I just earned 6.8 Satoshi for just visiting this site, Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin miner actually. So I'm going back to my bot. I just showed you guys how to earn those bitcoins. In case if you are a beginner, like a site beginner, you just started your website, you can just keep on clicking and getting these BTCs to advertise with them. The advert rates are very cheap, as cheap as that you can advertise lots and lots of adverts. It's very easy. Okay, you can also earn by messaging bots. You can earn the BTC by messaging bots, but there's no ad available, so that doesn't work here. You can also earn by joining chats over here. joining channels and groups. Okay, that's for how to earn the BTC, and I'm going to show you guys how to see your balance. Like, I just saw my balance here. Okay, I'm going to actually cancel an ad that I actually enabled because it's taking away my balance. I had a previous ad going on, so I just had to disable it, so my balance doesn't get finished. Okay, this is my balance currently. As you can see, I just have 0.0004 BTC, that's 4.7 Satoshi. As you can see, it was 6 Satoshi before, but because of that ad going on in the background, it just took away 2 Satoshis. Okay, this will show you how cool is both is. So this is the balance side, this is the balance button. You can also deposit using this button over here to deposit bitcoins to your bot. And it says over here the purpose of depositing is to increase your balance so you can use it to spend on advertising. Okay, so it will just give you, if you click on confirm, they will give you their bitcoin address that will be linked to this particular bot. And once you send the bitcoin to that address, it will be authentically added to your bot over here, to your dashboard here. So it's very, very simple. Okay, you can also use this button to withdraw for people that are not here for ads. For people that want to actually earn with this bot, it's paying, you can withdraw over here. And it says the minimum withdrawal is 0.0003 BTC. That's 3,000 Satoshi. Wow, that's lots of Satoshis. Okay, okay, we are going back to the main menu. I'm going to show you guys how to actually start advertising your site. It's very, very easy. Okay, okay, this referral button is for referrals to refer friends and also earn from their earnings. That's very, very nice. Okay, I'm going to my ads. I'm going to show you guys how to create a new ad. These are my previous ads. I'm going to show you guys how to create an ad and start and enabling the ad. Okay, I'm going to, you click on new ad on this new ad button over here and ask what you would like to promote. Okay, you have to click on link URL. So over here you're going to input the link to your site. Actually I don't have any site in mind, but let's just say I'm using my YouTube channel as an example. I'm sending my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel has a link URL also. So it says enter a title for your ad. It must be between 5 and 80 characters. I might just say hacks. Can just call it hacks. Keep it in a bold form and send it. You can also, it will ask you for a description for that ad, and it must be between 10 and 180 characters. Okay, you just have to actually find a cool description and put over there. Note that this description doesn't mean you get subscribers. It just keeps, I think it just makes it look like a real ad. But note that the person that is actually going to click this ad is here to earn and he must click on the ad. So it's not just that important. So you can just click on I can just put in any description over here. Instagram followers hack. Okay, this was the actual description of my video over here. So I just send that and ask for your advertisement contains pornographic or NSFW content. Okay, my video doesn't actually contain that, so I just click on no. Okay, it asks for geotargeting. Okay, in geotargeting you can actually set a target for countries that you would like them to visit your ad, like to join on your site, view your site. Okay, you can actually click on no if you're not interested in retargeting, like you want the whole world, anyone available, anyone that sees the link to actually click on it. But if you're interested in retargeting, you click on yes over here, and this is a list of countries, like the codes and the list of countries available in this booth. These are the countries available, and these are the codes over here, and these are the countries available with this booth. As you can see, there are lots of countries and there are lots of databases over here. As you can see, lots of databases over here. Okay, I think the highest is Indonesia with 311,206 clicks. Okay, per day actually. So we are going back. Okay, I'm a Nigerian, so I would love Nigerians to visit my site or my channel. So I can just use the code NG over here. And if you want to actually add more sites, you separate them with a comma. Like I want to add US, and you click on US over here. Okay, that's just it. Okay, and you click on send that. Now it's going to ask you the maximum amount you want to pay per click. Okay, it says the minimum amount over here is 1 Satoshi, 0.00007 zeros, 1 BTC. So you can just click on it. I will just take it as my minimum amount. Note that you can actually pay more than that. You can pay more than that if you want. It's just your choice actually. So you click on send and ask how much you want to spend per day, like the minimum amount you want to spend for this particular ad. And it says the maximum amount is just 21 Satoshis. So I'll rather use the same also here, like the minimum 21 Satoshis. Okay, the ad has been created and my ad has been enabled. And you see that they will click on my links and it will be linked to my YouTube channel, and that's how you can generate lots and lots and lots of traffic. You can also use that for referrals. Maybe you want to get referrals for an affiliate program. You can also use this. It's working. Trust me, guys. If you are new to sites, into websites, trust me, this will help. It will go a long way in boosting your traffic on your site. So I just actually discovered this hack some days ago, and I decided to share it to my YouTube subscribers. Hope this video was very helpful. You can send me a comment of other things you want me to help you with. Send me a comment of how you feel about the video. You know I love you all. If you're not yet subscribed, you're really missing out. Trust me. I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a very nice day.